Rico, humiling ng dasal para sa kapatid na may sakit. Sa kanyang social media account, ibinahagi ng singer-songwriter na si Rico Blanco ang pinagdadaanan ng kanilang pamilya tungkol sa pagkakasakit ng kanyang kapatid na si King. Kasama sa ibinahagi ni Rico ang mga lumang larawan nila ng kanyang kapatid na aniya ay kaagapay niya sa pagtanda dahil 1 taon lamang ang kanilang pagitan. Ayon kay Rico, lumaki silang parang mag-best friends o parang kambal. At marami rin silang pinagsaluhang magagandang adventures na magkasama. Ipinahayag ni Rico ang taos-pusong pagmamahal sa kapatid na aniya ay nagkaroon ng cancer sa sinus. Ayon pa kay Rico, nagsimula na ang gamutan sa kapatid at humiling siya ng tulong sa mga netizens para samahan silang magdasal para sa kagalingan ng kanyang kapatid. This beautiful boy you see with me is my younger brother King. Only a year apart, we did everything together growing up, like best friends or even twins. We shared so many adventures and fought so many battles alongside each other. I love him so very dearly. A few weeks ago, we received the terrible news that he has cancer. The signs all came too rapidly and seemingly out of nowhere. And by the time we got the full diagnosis, we were told he already has an advanced and very aggressive type of squamous cell carcinoma, sinus. His treatment started yesterday, and we are praying all our efforts are not too late. We've also decided to share so we can humbly ask for your help. Please pray for King's strength and healing. Only heaven really knows what's best for my dear brother, but we are keeping our hopes up. I cannot bear to imagine a world without him in it. This is our toughest battle. Please, please help us win. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa sunod na showbiz news.